Today, we will draw a super cute and attractive bubble tea cup. You definitely won't be able to resist the charm of this drink after finishing. Start by drawing the shape of the teacup. Draw a standing cylinder, the top slightly wider and the bottom slightly smaller, to form the shape of the cup. You can also draw a slight curve at the bottom to make it look more natural. Add a cute Christmas logo. You can draw a Santa Claus, a small Christmas tree, or a star right on the cup. Draw the cream layer on top of the cup. Create gentle waves to create a soft cream feeling. To make it even more impressive, I'll add a candy cane. To add sparkle, let's color it. Ta-da! Your Christmas bubble teacup is finished. With bright colors, the picture will be very special and full of festive atmosphere. Have fun drawing and don't forget to add a little creativity to make the picture more vivid.